Who had the shortest tenure as the President of India? A. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. B. Dr. Zakir Hussain. C. Shri V. Giri. D. Dr. Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed. The correct answer is Dr. Zakir Hussain. Who is the first Indian president to die in office? A. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. B. V. Giri. C. Zakir Hussain. D. Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. The correct answer is Zakir Hussain. Who made the comment, "Governor is a bird in golden cage"? A. Vijayalakshmi Pandit. B. Sarojini Naidu. C. Rajgopalachari. D. A.K. Iyer. The correct answer is Sarojini Naidu. A money bill can be introduced only in A. Rajya Sabha. B. Lok Sabha. C. Both Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. D. None of the above. The correct answer is Lok Sabha. Who is the constitutional head of the state governments? A. Chief Minister. B. High Court Judge. C. Governor. D. Speaker. The correct answer is Governor. The minimum number of judges of the Supreme Court required for hearing any case involving interpretation of the Constitution is A. 5. B. 6. C. 9. D. 10. The correct answer is 5. Which among the following functions as a coordinator between the Planning Commission and state government? A. National Integration Council. B. Finance Commission. C. National Development Council. D. None of the above. The correct answer is National Development Council. Who of the following presidents of India was associated with trade union movement? A. Zakir Hussain. B. V. Giri. C. Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. D. Morarji Desai. The correct answer is V. Giri. Which part of our constitution envisages a three-tier system of panchayats? A. Part 9. B. Part X. C. Part 11. D. Part 12. The correct answer is Part 9. A seat of MP can be declared vacant if he absents himself from the House for a continuous period of A. 1 month. B. 2 month. C. 3 month. D. 6 month. The correct answer is 2 month. First 5-year plan of India was based on the A. Harrod-Domer model. B. Mahalanobis model. C. Dadabhai Naoroji model. D. J.L. Nehru model. The correct answer is Harrod-Domer model. Constitution Day of India is celebrated on A. 26th January. B. 16th August. C. 26th November. D. 30th November. The correct answer is 26th November. A Panchayat Samiti at the block level in India is only A. Advisory body. B. Consultative committee. C. Coordinating and supervisory authority. D. Administrative authority. The correct answer is Administrative authority. The tenure of the Chief Election Commissioner of India is A. 5 years. B. 5 years or 65 years of age, whichever is earlier. C. 6 years or 65 years of age, whichever is earlier. D. 6 years or 70 years of age, whichever is earlier. The correct answer is 6 years or 65 years of age, whichever is earlier. According to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution was to remain a dead letter? A. Article 32. B. Article 96. C. Article 352. D. Article 356. The correct answer is Article 356. Who was the chairman of the first Union Commission of Backward Classes of India? A. B. P. Mandal. B. B. R. Ambedkar. C. Kanshi Ram. D. Kaka Kalalkar. The correct answer is Kaka Kalalka. The provision for free legal aid is provided in A. Article 32, B. Article 15A, C. Article 21A, D. Article 39A. The correct answer is Article 39A. What does the Part 4 of the Indian Constitution deal with? A. Fundamental rights, B. Fundamental duties, C. Directive principles of state policies, D. Panchayati Raj institutions. The correct answer is Directive principles of state policies. Under which of the following articles, additional and acting judges can be appointed in the High Courts? A. Article 220, B. Article 229, C. Article 224, D. Article 231. The correct answer is Article 224. The maximum permissible period between two sessions of a state legislative assembly is A. 3 months, B. 6 months, C. 1 year, D. indefinite. The correct answer is 6 months. Under which article, the Supreme Court has the power to review its own judgment or order? A. Article 137, B. Article 254, C. Article 256, D. Article 142. The correct answer is Article 137. The Speaker can ask a member of the House to stop speaking and let another member speak. This is known as A. Decorum, B. Crossing the floor, C. Interpretation, D. Yielding the floor. The correct answer is yielding the floor. Chief Ministers of all the states are the ex officio members of the A. Finance Commission, B. Planning Commission, C. Interstate Council, D. National Development Council. The correct answer is Interstate Council. The Right to Education Act 2009 is not related to A. Primary education, B. Quality of education, C. Free education, D. Higher education. The correct answer is Higher education. In which schedule of the Constitution, the recognized 22 languages has been included? A. 6th Schedule, B. 7th Schedule, C. 8th Schedule, D. 9th Schedule. The correct answer is 8th Schedule. The idea that Indians should have a constituent assembly to frame a constitution of India was initiated by A. Rajendra Prasad, B. M. N. Roy, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. B. R. Ambedkar. The correct answer is M. N. Roy. Which Amendment Act enabled Delhi and Pondicherry to vote in the presidential elections? A. 64th Amendment Act, B. 70th Amendment Act, C. 74th Amendment Act, D. 81st Amendment Act. The correct answer is 70th Amendment Act. Article 132 of the Indian Constitution deals with A. The appellate jurisdiction of the Supreme Court in constitutional cases, B. The appellate jurisdiction of the Supreme Court from High Court in civil cases, C. Criminal appeals from High Courts to Supreme Court, D. Special leave to appeal by Supreme Court. The correct answer is the appellate jurisdiction of the Supreme Court in constitutional cases. The Maternity Benefit Act was enacted in the year A. 1958, B. 1961, C. 1968, D. 1972. The correct answer is 1961. Setting up of village panchayats is associated with which part of the Indian Constitution? A. Preamble, B. Fundamental rights, C. Directive principles of state policy, D. Fundamental duties. The correct answer is Directive Principles of State Policy. Which article consists of the provision relating to composition and its power and functions of the Election Commission of India? A. Article 324. B. Article 328. C. Article 339. D. Article 345. The correct answer is Article 324. Which article of the Constitution of India gives provision to set up village panchayats? A. Article 15. B. Article 25. C. Article 243. D. Article 42. The correct answer is Article 243. Total number of women members in the Constituent Assembly was A. 12. B. 15. C. 18. D. 21. The correct answer is 15. The provisions in 5th Schedule and 6th Schedule in the Constitution of India are made in order to A. Protect the interests of scheduled tribes. B. Determine the boundaries between states. C. Determine the powers, authority and responsibilities of panchayats. D. Protect the interests of all the border states. The correct answer is Protect the interests of scheduled tribes. The residuary powers of legislation under Indian Constitution rests with A. The President. B. The Prime Minister. C. The Parliament. D. The Chief Justice. The correct answer is the Parliament. Which institution has the final authority to interpret the India Constitution? A. Parliament. B. President. C. Attorney General of India. D. Supreme Court of India. The correct answer is Supreme Court of India. The Panchayat Samiti remains accountable for its functions to A. Jilla Parishads. B. Janpad Panchayats. C. Anchal Panchayats. D. The Gram Panchayats and Gram Sabhas. The correct answer is Jilla Parishads. Who was the first person to be re-elected as Indian Vice President after Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan? A. Zakir Hussain. B. V. Giri. C. Shankar Dayal Sharma. D. Muhammad Hamid Ansari. The correct answer is Muhammad Hamid Ansari. Which is not concern of the local government? A. Public health. B. Sanitation. C. Law and order. D. Public utility services. The correct answer is law and order. In India, the concept of single citizenship is adopted from A. England. B. USA. C. France. D. Japan. The correct answer is England. Who had proposed party-less democracy in India? A. Vinoba Bhave. B. V. Giri. C. Mahatma Gandhi. D. Jaya Prakash Narayan. The correct answer is Jaya Prakash Narayan. Who is the first law officer in India? A. President. B. Prime Minister. C. Law Minister. D. Attorney General. The correct answer is Attorney General. Which amendment of the Constitution relates to anti-defection law? A. 51st. B. 52nd. C. 54th. D. 56th. The correct answer is 52nd. In which of the following cases the Supreme Court of India gave verdict that the preamble is part of Indian Constitution? A. Golaknath case. B. Babri Masjid case. C. Minerva Mills case. D. Keswananda Bharti case. The correct answer is Keswananda Bharti case. The governor does not appoint the A. Judges of the High Court. B. Chief Minister. C. Advocate General of the State. D. Chairman of the State Public Service Commission. The correct answer is Judges of the High Court. The Panchayati Raj is included in the A. Union list. B. Concurrent list. C. State list. D. Residuary list. The correct answer is State list. What does Article 2(1) of the Constitution of India deals with? A. Free and compulsory education to children aged 6 to 14 YRS. B. Freedom of speech and expression. C. Protection of life and liberty. D. Protection of language, script or culture of minorities. The correct answer is Free and compulsory education to children aged 6 to 14 YRS. Judgment of Supreme Court in Indira Sawhney vs. Union of India relates to A. Reservation for OBC. B. Reservation of scheduled caste. C. Reservation of minorities. D. Reservation of scheduled tribe. The correct answer is Reservation for OBC. Under which article of Indian Constitution amendment process has been described? A. 362. B. 365. C. 368. D. 372. The correct answer is 368. Within which time period an ordinance promulgated by the President be laid down before both the Houses of Parliament after their reassemble? A. 6 months. B. 6 days. C. 6 weeks. D. 2 months. The correct answer is 6 weeks.